A few months ago I noticed a slight smell of gas in the cabinet under a 10-year-old gas cooktop Kitchenaid. Used soap water to test for leaks on all gas block valve, fitting, hose, and regulator under cooktop and cabinet. No leaks. No leaks at valves on cooktop itself. A month ago bought and installed new cooktop, Dacor, with new gas flex hose and new regulator that came with new cooktop. Yellow Teflon tape on all pipe fittings. Soapwater checked block valve, fitting, hose, regulator, no leaks and no gas smell. Last night again noticed a slight gas smell when you open cabinet, 1 month after install. Soapwater test again, no leaks. Went years with no gas smell, then with new cooktop 1 month and slight gas smell returns. Any ideas?
You could have busted loose the elbow in the wall or the stem feeding it. On the flex lines they usually state if they do require Teflon, usually not on the yellow or galvanized ones or yellow ones do they require Teflon that is a dry fitted seal. But like you said, you check it with soapy water. Is this house on a slab or have a basement or void underneath the floor? Do you know where the feed is coming from to the range?
Reply to Repipeslo's post, the Teflon is only on the pipe NPT thread, not the metal-to-metal seats. I used to do instrumentation work offshore in my younger days and did tons of work with stainless steel tubing and compression fitting and some flares, so I feel confident that that part is right. The black pipe comes up through the floor in the basement. When I worked offshore, all of the instrument air was natural gas, and at compression stations the gas would accumulate at the floor, but it was unprocessed gas. So where you are going with this, I think, is to check the pipe in the basement?
Correct. It is a possibility that you may have sprung a leak, uncommon but a possibility. How old is the house? Any water damage to the house in that area to cause rust? Did you replace the ball valve on the flex line?
Gas supply from basement, no leaks at 90 turning up to cabinet.
Did you smell the odor down in the basement or no? Are you able to get me a really close-up picture on the threads at the valve and the 90?
Reply to Repipeslo's post, ball valve not replaced. It is original. House built around 1994 or 1995. We are first owners. No gas smell in basement. No smell in cabinet today, but could smell yesterday. Taking the time to recheck the lines with soap water may leave cabinet open long enough to dissipate smell. I put a lot of soap water on the valve thinking that maybe leak around the stem. Valve has not been turned off until replacement 1 month ago. Do you think I should replace valve anyway even with no leakage?
The way I was taught to do it is when you change/replace the flex line, you replace the valve. I never asked why I just did, even if it was a brand new valve. Since the fittings are dry, it's just a soft pre-assure type of seal. I would check with a pipe wrench, make sure everything is tight. Also check to make sure that they did not overthread the pipe into the fitting, as that can also cause a leak. You should be able to see a couple of threads showing on all of them.
Reply to Repipeslo's post, picture of valve and 90.
Did you check to make sure they were tight? That 90 on the side pointing towards the camera looks like it has been driven in pretty far. As I can't see any threads showing. Can you see any? I recommend when using soapy water use blue dish soap. And use a lot of soap to water, and don't even spray the water, just let it run down onto the pipe. Pour a stream of the soapy water onto it. I have checked joints by spraying and they will not show at times until you pour the soapy water onto it. You didn't stretch the flex line out for it to reach, did you?
I cleaned it off and I don't see any. Reply to Repipeslo's post, NP, plenty of slack. Have it in S-shape along back wall using tie wraps.
If the problem persists, you can call your natural gas supplier. They usually do a free in-home inspection for leaks. The fitting you showed me might just be your problem, for it was installed incorrectly. Fittings should never be tightened down that far. The 90 itself may have a crack in it due to how far in the pipe is into the fitting. Repipeslo 39611.97647000231.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.